A lot of people, when they're trying to get healthy, try to get fit, they are concerned about spending money. But let me tell you, this is a mistake, because spending money can actually be a very, very powerful motivator. Let me tell you a few different ways and examples of why this is. So, first way, money can really incentivize you to push through and to be more consistent. For example, signing up for a marathon. With the marathon, you have to pay $100, maybe $200. Let's say it's the New York Marathon, the Chicago Marathon, whatever marathon it may be around the world. There is an entry fee. And they have this entry fee in place because they want you to have some intrinsic motivation to follow through and to actually do it. Because if the marathon was free, people probably wouldn't feel so invested in the process. Because doing a marathon, it's not an easy process, right? You have to start low. You start with 3 miles, you go up to 5, 7, 10. By the end, you want to be able to do that 20-mile run, and it's so many hours of preparation. But finishing that marathon is one of the best feelings you could ever achieve. It's a lifelong goal that a lot of people have, and that money is actually motivating them to complete that lifelong goal. Another example of using money as a motivator when talking about fitness would be hiring a personal trainer. So whatever level your fitness is, whether you're a beginner or you're very advanced, hiring a personal trainer has many benefits. So as a beginner, they're going to really teach you the fundamentals and the form of how to do it. Also, they're going to act as an accountability person there for you, because you know you have to meet them X number of days per week, and you'll feel guilty if you let them down, right? And on the other end of the spectrum, as an advanced person, you can learn a lot of new and unique different movements and exercises from these personal trainers, because that is their job and their expertise after all, right? So when you pay the personal trainer, you know that you have to be there and you have to show up, and therefore you're gonna get better results. Another useful strategy to use money with exercise is to use your friends. So how you can do this, you can give your friends $100. You tell your friends, here's $100. I want you to keep this $100, and if I don't go to the gym 5 times a week for the next month, it's yours. But if I do go to the gym 5 times a week for the next month, I get my $100 back. So it sounds silly, it sounds kind of weird, but it actually helps you, and maybe it will be that force that helps you physically get in your car and go to the gym, because you don't want to lose that $100 to your friend. Another unique strategy you can use is getting a piggy bank jar and putting $1 in the piggy bank every time you go to the gym and have a successful workout. Then, whatever you can set it at 2 weeks, 1 month, 3 months, 1 year, but after whatever time frame you've set, you can take that money and you can take your wife, your kids, your significant other, and you can take them out to dinner and celebrate a job well done. Money can be used in a lot of different ways to motivate you, but ultimately you have to find a strategy that works for you and that really helps you the most and gives you the greatest amount of satisfaction and value. So I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.